afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yeah,
Okay, great. So today what we are going to learn is a search engine optimization, wherein we'll be seeing what is search engine optimization, what are the factors that we need to take care of, and all those things that we'll be learning practically. So in last session we had seen that we need to optimize the titles, description, and all other things that we need to do. So today we are going to see that practically. So say this is my website over here, and say this is my dashboard. So now the first thing that we need to know is how does this website function, how to make a website like this. So now this is after logging in, you also will get a similar kind of dashboard, wherein whatever you can see on the left hand side, you will see everything like this. This is whatever you see, all the menu on the left hand side, this all are called as admin menu. So this is administrative dashboard with which we can create our website. So now when we first of all install WordPress in our website, there is nothing in our website, there is a blank thing on the website. So now what we have to do is, the first thing that we need to go is to appearance, and then we have themes. So before that, what I will do is I will create a login for you, with which you will get a login with which you can create all these things. So first of all, let me just log in and create your credentials. So then you can practice, you can start adding blogs and everything, so those all things can be done. So that would be practical for you. Okay, so I am installing WordPress for you. Install, and I'll select a domain for you. Okay, or 3-booted and slash IUC. Okay, okay, and then your password. So this is your password. Okay. Okay, it is installed almost. Okay, finally it is installed. So yes, this is your details. So this is your website URL, and this is your admin URL. And from this admin URL, this is your username and this is your password. So I'll just send this to you. so you can keep this open. Once you can practice this on this. So right now we'll work on your website because it's a blank thing. My website is already filled with lots of content, so I cannot change my website right now. So yes, so now I'll just log out from here temporarily. So first of all, today what we'll learn is how to create a website using WordPress. So now, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system with which we can create a website. So now in this, what happens is, like say in olden days, people used to create websites with coding and all those things. So like that, people used to make a website, but over there they needed to use manually code all the codings in the notepad or wherever in the various applications, softwares that were available. But today it is very easy that people can directly log in over here, install an CMS, that is content management system, and they can log in with this, and then they can create a website very easily. So now over here you do not require any programming knowledge, and say you can you have an user interface with which you can create a website. So even small children can create a website, so it's very easy. So you just need to log in with your username and password. So now we are logged into the dashboard. So this is the home page of your website. So now this is the blank thing that you get. So first of all, just let me configure few things. So yes, over here, now say over here, this is your admin dashboard. So this is your website. Now over here, just let me get you to all these things, all the menus. What are the functions of all these things? The first one is, this is a plugin. So I mean, we will be removing this is of no use right now. Say those are extra things that can be used, so it's called as plugins. So plugins are something wherein which enhances the website. So we'll come to it when we reach over here. The first thing is post. So post is like blogs that we write on our website, so those are called as post. Now then we have over here pages. So now what is the difference between post and pages? See, post is something like say whenever we create any content, we create all the blogs, and it comes up on our website. So if I just show you an example over here, slash blogs. Oops. Yes. So over here you can see these blogs over here like this. So this kind of website we are going to create with all everything. So right now, if I see your website, how does it look? Let us see your website which is installed. So over here you can see this is what your website looks like, and we are going to, this is the default page that is created when we install WordPress on any website. So this is the default thing, and we are going to convert it to a website like this one. So beautiful website with all the content into it, and then managing the content. So this is how we are going to use it. So this is how, yeah, so this is the default one. So now with this post, whenever we add any post, what happens is the latest post will come to the top over here. So over here we can see that post over here, and then whenever we add a new post, then that post will come up over here, and this previous post will come up over here. Then previous to previous will come over here, and previous to that will come up over here. So then this, after this will go into, say, the category. So then whenever we click on SEO category, at that time we'll see all the articles within that particular category. So like this we create this website. So now to start with, when we are talking about blogs, so this is how our blogs will come up. So all the latest content will come up on the main page, and then we have pages. So pages are static pages, like what we say is say contact us page or about us page. Those are the pages that you see on the website. So if I go to my home page, and if I show you, then we have about us, then our courses, my account, blogs is all the blogs, and over here contact us. So these are say static pages which remain on the website. Now these websites, these pages which are there on the website, these pages are not going to change, because this is something which is going to remain there forever. Say like about us, we are not going to change about us, or we are not going to change the contact us page, because unless and until there is any change in the services, or any change in the address change and all those things, only then we will make some changes in the contact us form. So in my website it is just a form. There is no address or phone number, so I mean that is not required, because this is a blog website. So that is the reason. So these are the pages. So that is the main difference in post and pages. So post are dynamic pages which changes with respect to time. You might have seen the news websites where every few minutes the content keeps on changing, and the latest breaking news will come up to the top, and the older one will go to the
Yeah.
bottom. So like that we keep post. So those people also use post, that is this blogging that they use. And pages are static pages, like terms and conditions, privacy policy, about us, contact us, which are not going to change. So that is the main difference. Then the next thing over here is media. So usually media actually is just if we want to look at all the images and videos that we have stored over here. Like if you see on my blogs, all the images are there, and say on the website also there are quite a lot of images are there. So all these images that you see on this page are stored in media. So whenever we go to library, we can just check all the images. So right now on your website there are no images, so it does not show anything. So actually we don't use this. This is just in case if we are searching for any image or something like that, then we can use this, or we want to add a new image, then we can use it. But usually we don't add any images from here. We use it directly from the page or the post. So from there we have the facility to use any image for that particular post or that particular page. So this is just for viewing the media library, all the images and videos stored on the website. Then pages are the static pages on the website, which does not change with respect to time. Then over here we have comments. So comment is like say people comment at the bottom of the blog. So we get to know that people are liking, or they have some suggestions, or they want some topic on which you want to write a blog. So like this we have all the comments. We can see all the comments that are given by the people. So right now we do not see any comment. This is the default comment which is installed over here with WordPress. So like this we get to know that okay fine, this person has given a comment, and over here this is the comment, and on which post they have given the comment, that also we can see. So this is the default post, and when did they give, that is all the comments that we see. Marketplace is say again this is a paid thing. So this is we are going to uninstall this marketplace, and this jetpack we are going to uninstall it, because right now we do not require it. Now how to
So
make
what happens in marketplace and what
marketplace is
happens in marketplace and quota?
marketplace. Yeah, say I'll just show you. Say when I click on marketplace, if we want to buy a paid theme, then we can just go to marketplace and we can buy a paid theme. See over here, this is costing $59, this theme is costing $59. So like this there are various
Okay.
themes available, but as such there are millions of themes available which are free of cost, and which we can use directly in this website. So for that reason, but maybe say some people are interested to buy a paid theme which has some additional functionality, but say most of the free themes are more than what we require. So we can use them. So marketplace is just buying some add-on products for the website. So that is what we can see over here. And we have performance. So over here if we click on it, so then over here it provides some information related to it, that's it. So over here caching and all these things are there. So here we are say this is not required, because whatever we want we get it over here in themes. So appearance is the look and feel of the website with which we are actually going to create a beautiful website. Now over here themes, we will see what are the different themes available. See over here, you can see these themes are installed. So over here, this theme is what I am using on my website, and right now over here, this I've already installed when I was installing say WordPress. So over here, so I can just click on activate it. So like this I can search. Now you might say that I do not like this theme, so that's fine. So over here, see premium themes, so those are paid ones, and WordPress.org themes, which are the default themes which comes with this. So now over here you can search for a theme that you are looking for. You can if your say website is related to corporate website, or say sports websites, or educational websites, or anything, medical healthcare, or anything, or say books or anything, then in that case you can just search for that keyword over here. So say if I search for a website for education, and then it will show me all the themes which are related to education, and I can select which theme I like just by viewing the screenshot over here, and I can install that. So depending on that, I can configure those websites over here. So whichever theme I like, I can just click on install over here, and after installation we need to activate. So like what I did just now, for the previous theme after installation. So like this I can just install this, and after installation I can just click on activate, so that theme will take place into it. So I'll now just refresh your page, because I've activated the previous one. So now you can see the change. So after installation, see, now you can see it has changed. So now we are ready to add the content and everything. Now the fonts are proper and everything is okay, because previously we saw very big fonts on the website, so that was not looking good. So for that we need to install a new theme. The theme is something which is required for the look and feel of the website. That what are the themes, what are the panels that I get on the website, what are the fonts that I get, and how the images and blogs will be arranged, how the pages will look, that kind of things. Those all things I can use it, I can create it and customize it in themes. So this is the theme that we are using. So now over here, after some time, say after few days or after 6 months or 1 year, you say that now I want to change the look and feel of my website. So you can just again come back over here in wordpress.org, and over here you can search for any theme. So over here I can just search for blogs. Say like I am this website, what we are going to create is for blogs. So here you will see where you will find various themes that are available for blogs. So here if you want this kind of blog, then you can install this. If you want to preview it, you can preview it, how does it look and all those, what features does it have. So here say you can just see everything. Say there are more tags available, HTML facilities there, linking facilities there, category hierarchy is there, then sample blog is there. So like this we can just see whatever it is, and over here some information is mentioned about that theme. So you can just view that theme, and if you want you can install that theme. The look and feel of the website would be like this after installation of that theme, and this is how what we have installed. So right now which theme which we have installed is color mag. So that comes up into say a magazine sort of thing. So here we see various blog related websites which are like magazines. So here we can see various options available, so we can install any theme. So basically the look and feel of the website, so that we have. Then over here customize, when we click on customize, then we can customize everything. Say right now over here it is written as my blog. So here you want to write your name, your punchline or tagline that you want to write, or you don't want all these things and you just want a logo over here. So that can be done. You want to remove this sample page, you want to remove this hello world default blog post. Over here on the right hand side you want to add some other things. So those all things we can be done actually in customization. That is the creation of the website. You will be starting to create a website from here, customization. So you will be customizing the look and feel, that okay fine, over here the blogs will come, over here some images will come, over here some tags will come, over here the categories will come, over here other pages will come. So that is setting of all the website, and after that you add content from here, post and pages. So you can start to add the post and then pages. So first of all we need to customize. So in customization we'll be doing all those things, so we'll be seeing it practically. And then we have widgets over here. So widgets are something that uh, all the widgets that are available on our website. Say like we can use archives, audios, calendars, categories, custom HTML. So if I want to use some custom HTML, then I can use that custom HTML on the website. Then gallery, if I want, I can use a gallery. I want to add some images, then I can add images. Then menu is there. Meta is not used. Pages we can add. Then recent post we can add. So on the right hand side it will come up as a recent post. And see, on the right hand side whatever we see, these are the panels that are available on our website. So on the right hand sidebar we see we have a left hand sidebar. So on the left hand sidebar we have a small column. So like you can see on my website, see this is the right hand side column where you can see this tag cloud and this technology, and over here you can see some other blogs, and then over here you see some ads like this. So this is called as right column. Usually we keep right column, but some people might want this column to be on the left. So in that case we can have a left sidebar. So that column is called as right sidebar or left sidebar, so that we can keep it as per our requirement. Then header sidebar. So these are the different placements available on our website wherein we can add some content. So every theme, whenever it does not mean that whenever you change the theme your website will look the same and it will automatically change. It does not change automatically. We need to again add or and modify the content. I mean, not modify, but actually place the content in the right place, because say all the panels that you are seeing in this theme might not be available in other themes. They might have some other options. So every theme on WordPress has different panels and placements on the website. So these are the different places that are available on our website wherein we can add some content. See, like footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 2, footer sidebar 3 and 4, like that. So if I just show you over here, see at the bottom it is just one column footer over here. But if I show you on my website, then over here you can see this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, and this is column 4. So this is footer sidebar, this is footer 1 that is mentioned over here, footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 2, footer sidebar 3 and 4. So those are over here, say footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 2, footer sidebar 3 and footer sidebar 4. So whatever I want I can post over here, whatever content I want. So if I don't want this list of latest blogs, then I can remove this and I can add a piece of text over here that writing something about us, and we can have put a logo over here. This all kind of things that we can put. See over here I've added YouTube videos, and these are all archives in which month we started to write the blogs and all those things, so that we can see then what are the categories available on the website. Then over here we can have the newsletter subscription so that people can subscribe to our blogs. So this is what we have placed. And over here this is the advertisement that is above footer. So that is over here, see advertisement above footer. So that is what we can see. So we have added Google ads over here. You can see ads by Google. So this is something that we have added over here. Then we have say 404 error. So if any pages are not available, in olden days it used to say that page cannot be found. Today it will not say page cannot be found, because it will show a error page over here, because that is default programmed. Otherwise people will again have to click the back button and go to the website. Then contact page slider. So if you want to have a slider, so that is all the images that are sliding. So just let me give you an example of that on one of my other websites. So this is my another website wherein I'm again using WordPress, but over there I'm using a different theme. So you can create a beautiful websites using different themes and everything. So just let me check. Okay, it's opening. So some websites will have this loading option also, that where it is loading, the website is loading, and then it will come up. Okay. See, now this is over here, you can see this website. So this is also made in WordPress. So over here you can see this is the slider which is coming up, so it will slide all the images that we want, so then we can have this. So this is called a slider. So if you want even a slider on our website, so we can have a slider also. Then over here about us is mentioned, and then some information, you can see all these things. These are mentioned over here, services, and some other content that is available. So like this we can have our team. So we are the two people who are owners of this website. Okay, so I think you got disconnected.
Yeah, I got disconnected. I just got reconnected.
Okay, no problem. So fine. So this is our another website wherein I was talking about sliders. So this is the type of slider we can have on our website. So it automatically slides. So if I want a slider like this, then I can put a slider. So that is called as contact page slider. Then front page content bottom section, so that is something where I want this is the bottom section. If I want to add something, then I can add over here. So that is all options are available. So basically different panels are available wherein I can add my content. So we get to know that, okay, if I know that, okay, there are so many placements that are available on the website, then I can use them to add some content over there. So I can decide to have a video, or I can decide to have some say image gallery or a video gallery or anything like that, or I can embed my YouTube videos over there so people can see all those things. So like this I can use all these things, all the placements. So it's basically like in a very simple language, if I tell you that this is the website is our house, and different placement that we are seeing are the different rooms of the house. So we get to know that, okay, fine, we have this many bedrooms, this two three halls, we have a balcony, then we have a garden, and then we get to know that, okay, fine, if there are bedrooms, then we can allocate different bedrooms to different people. Then garden is there, then we can place some table and chair over there. So like that, say these are the different placements of our websites wherein we can add different content. So that is called as widgets. So this widgets we can add anytime. And then we have menu over here. So over here, when I click on menu, you can create different menus over here. So right now we don't have anything else. See, right now you can just see the sample page. So this sample page we are going to delete it, so I need to remove it from the menu. So this is menu is removed. And now over here, first of all, say we need to create a menu. So we do not have any menu, so I'll just say that primary menu. So here primary menu I will create it, and over there this home page is added. So this home is added, and over here I don't want this. So whatever pages we add over here, so we can see all the pages will be coming up over here. So if I want to add any page, so I can just click on it and add to menu. So it will be added over here. See, and if I want to remove it, so I can remove it. So like this I can create many menus as per my requirement. Say, because see over here, if I show you on my website on the main home page, you can see the primary menu is there. See, this is primary menu, like home, about us, our courses, my account, blogs, and contact us. So this is what I want to show on the top. So this is primary menu. Now if I go to the bottom of the website, then you will see over here say terms and conditions, privacy policy, store affiliates, cart, wish list, contact us. So this is the footer menu which I created. So if I want different links to be appearing at the different places, then I can create a footer menu, and I can add those pages in that menu. And then over here it will create a widget, and then that widget I can drag it to different places. So like that I can use. So this is the menu over here. So that is what we can see over here. And this is header. So header is something which is on the top of the website, wherein say if I want to make any changes to the header, So over here this is the header that we can see over here. If I want to add a header video, or say I want to add anything, any slider or something like that, then I can use this. So over here it says that select upload a file, then I can use upload a file. So if I want to place say this is over here some YouTube URL, if I want a video, then I can place a video on the top. So just let me open YouTube and show you how does it look. So okay, I'll just open my channel and take up a video. Okay, so yeah, so there are various videos available. So okay, fine. So if I just take this video, I'll just copy this URL. So here I'll add that URL over here, and now you can see this is a full screen video which is coming up over here. So like this, if I want, instead of image that we saw in the previous website, then I want a header over here. So in the previous website, what did we see over here on this website? We saw the sliders on the top, and over here we can see the over here we can see this video over here. So like this, whatever we want, we can keep it. So if I don't want this video and I want to have some image, then I can have an image also. So over here header image is also there. So that is what we can use. See over here, I can add a new image. I can just select the file that I want, and I'll select an image, and okay, fine, I'll select this image over here and I'll open it. So this is uploaded, and select and crop. So here, depending on what I want, so I'll select this much, or I can even increase it how much big I want, and then I can say crop, and then that image will come up over here. See over here, this image has come up. So I can have an image, or I can have a video, whatever I want, I can use it, and then I click on publish, so it will be saved. So after making any changes, I can just save. So that is custom. So this is basically customizing the website. So that we'll be learning once I click on customize, and then we explain. So right now I'm just explaining you all the menu over here. And then we have background over here. So background is, again, it is going to customization, and if I want to change the background over here, see right now we have a similar kind of a little not exactly white, but little grayish kind of things. Over here we have this particular code, but if I want a different color and everything, say over here, if I want to change the background, then I can change it over here. Then it will automatically take into effect. So and then I click on publish. So right now I don't want that, so I'll just click on default. So it should be visible. So that is what I want. So I don't want this. So yes, okay. So that is selecting the background color over here. Then premium themes, so those are premium themes, and then color mag options. So what other options that this color mag theme are giving, so that is what it will show here. So here, get started with color mag, and clicking the button will install active the theme grill demo importer. So demo importer will, what will it do? It will install the demo content as it is, what you can see over here. And say then we do not need to do anything on the website. See right now we do not have any content over here, but and automatically we want to place all the things as it looks. See if I want to create a website like this, because I saw this screenshot and I like this screenshot, and I wanted a website like this, so I use this. So I install this theme. So now if I don't know how to create everything, and what different components I can place at different places, then what I will do is I will just click on get started with this color mag. So every theme does not have this facility, but over here some of the themes have this demo content facility. So then it will automatically place all the things at respective places, and then over here I can click on import, and then I can say confirm, So this can be done only on a new website. On an existing website you cannot do, because say then there will be some demo content added to your existing content. So for that reason we cannot do that. So whenever you are starting a new website, at that time only you can import a demo content, because that content you are going to delete it. We just want this so that all the placements are placed automatically on the website. So right now it is importing, so that might take some time. Yes, and then over here demo importer status, so that we will get to know the status. And over here premium theme, so if you want to buy some premium theme, so once we uninstall this marketplace, so that all things will go. And then over here theme editor, so under theme editor is something wherein if you want to do some coding, if you know PHP, if you know HTML, and you want to do some editing, then yes, you can do some backend editing also over here. So that option is also available in this theme editor. So this was all about appearance, how to manage the website, the look and feel of the website, arranging all the content in the website. So that is all related to managing the appearance of the website. Then we have plugins over here. So now what are these plugins? So plugins are small applications which get installed into the website, and without any programming, and that will enhance the functionality of the website. Enhance the functionality of the website means, say like over here on my website, if I go to blogs, and if I see that I can see over here at the bottom of the page, I can see this subscribe. So this is the newsletter subscription. In olden days what we need to do is we will code it manually, right? Okay, fine, I want a field called as name, then I want a second field called as email, then when a person will click on subscribe button, then it will automatically create a database, and all the information will get stored over there. So that all programming I do not need to do. So I will just click on I'll search, like we search for the themes, the same way we are going to search for plugins. So let me just open this in a new tab, so that, because over here it is getting imported, so we don't want to disturb this. So over here it is getting opening, so it's opening over here, and we will see what are the different plugins that we can use. So these are the default plugins that are installed on this. So see over here this Mojo Marketplace, so we'll deactivate this. And so whatever plugins you don't require, you can just deactivate it and delete it. So like say over here I don't want this default thing that is not used. Then this also I'll delete it, so that also I don't want. Classic editor is very useful. This is Everest form. So over here say we require Everest form, so over here we can create n number of forms. So like contact us form, business inquiry forms, or any type of form, registration forms. You can create your own forms as per your requirement. You do not require to know any programming. Directly you just select what are the fields that you want. So when we actually create a form on the website, after creating the website, we will be creating the forms also. So you'll get to know that okay, how this is done. So I don't want this also.
So just in
Okay,
case in future,
yeah,
if we need them back again, then can
you
we
can,
get them back?
yes, anytime, yes, of course. See over here I can just click on add new, and whatever plugins that we have uninstalled, we can again install it over here. So like say Mojo we had uninstalled, so I can just click over here, and we can see that over here whichever themes which we had uninstalled, whichever plugins which we had uninstalled, we can get it back from here. So over here like this we can do. So over here from this place, whenever I click on add new, I can search for whatever theme I want. Say like I want say newsletter. I want people to subscribe my website by newsletter. So there are various plugins available, so I can use any of them. So over here I can use this is having good everything, so this is good. we can see the ratings and the number of installations, but we should also see that whether it is serving our purpose. Just going by the highest installations and highest review doesn't work, because we need to know about it. So here 3 lakh installations, over here 1 lakh installations, but this is really very good. I'm using this, but any which ways we can try other ones also. See over here there are say 3 lakh plus installations, over here 2 lakh plus installation, 1 lakh plus installations, over here 1 million active installations. See, so many of them. Marketing toolkit by Opt-in Monster, pop-up email opt-in forms and newsletter subscribers. So these are really very good. So if you want to see some details about it, that what does this plugin do, then we can just see everything over here. That over here all the description is provided, and what are the features of it, drag and drop pop-up maker, and everything. So like this we can just see. Then installation, how to install it. So I mean, for installation you don't need to do anything. You just need to click on install now, and after it gets installed you just need to click on the activate button, so it is installed. And whatever new plugins we install, it will come up on the left hand side of the menu which we are seeing over here. So then we can manage those things over here. So this installation, and then over here some FAQ are provided, and then over here change log, so that is for the developers, so what have changed from the last version. Then some screenshots over here, so we can see some screenshots over here, and some reviews also, so everything is fine. So then I just click, I can either click from here, or I can directly click over here install now, and after clicking install now, it is getting installed right now. And then after installation, I over here activate button is coming up, so I click on activate. So this is marketing toolkit by Opt-in Monster. So over here you can see Opt-in Monster menu has come up on the left hand side. So over here whenever we want to manage, so I can just click over here and I can get started. So here it says that please connect or create a Opt-in Monster account to start using Opt-in Monster. So on their website I need to first have an account, and then I can use this on my website. So I mean, it's just very easy. So I'll just click over here, connect your account, and over here I need to create an account. So create an account, and see over here this is basic plus everything is there. And okay, so these are all the paid features, something like that. So just let me check. Okay, so over here get started is there, and yeah, so that's fine. So 1 second. So here let us see that if we have any paid I mean any free options over here. Most popular 9 basic. So here this is a paid plugin, so I don't think this would work. So what we can do is we can uninstall this, because over here it is a paid plugin. Let me just see if I can use it without registration. No, we cannot use it, because over here it is asking all these things. So what for this, what do I do is I again go to plugins and click on
Plugins and
installed plugins. So the plugins which are installed, if I click on add new plugins, then all, if I want to add a new plugin, so that is it. So over here now I can see Opt-in Monster over here. So I'll just click on deactivate, so then it will get deactivated, and after it gets deactivated I can delete it. So
delete it.
yeah, so then it will get
So what are
uninstalled.
these Yoast SEO theme
Yeah,
build
yeah, I'm
demo
coming to
input
it.
and all
Yeah,
used for?
yeah. See, this is a theme grill demo importer. So whatever over here it is getting imported. So see, the demo content is imported now, and we can see the live preview. So that we are coming to it. So just let me see your blog and refresh your page, because the demo content is installed. See, now the demo content is installed and all the panels are placed in order. So now you can delete all the content which is mentioned, and you can try
And
to
I can
add them.
add my own
Yeah, yeah, you
content.
can start to add your own content, and whatever categories are mentioned over here, you can rename these categories, and you can add them. So these are the texts that are available.
So
So
basically, with Earth Rebooted, I've created my own website.
I mean, this is my domain, and in the domain, say all my students are having subdomains where I have installed WordPress for them. And then over here, this is the training server where I give a live practical website with which you can create your own website. You can for basically for practicals, you need to know how to create it, how to do SEO. See, why are we learning WordPress? See, WordPress is not the part of digital marketing, but see, first of all, to add content to your website, you should even know that how you can create a website, and then you need to optimize your website for search engine. See, our main motto is search engine optimization. So but for to do search engine optimization, you need to have some content, and that content needs to be placed in a blog or a website. So over here I am providing you an live environment wherein you can create a website, you can add content to it, you can modify that content, and then you can do search engine optimization on it. So for that reason we are learning WordPress, but as such WordPress is not part of digital marketing, but still, I mean, this is necessary, so that is important. So here you can see the beautiful website is done over here. So when we go to customization, at that time we will click on that customization which I just told you, that over here customization. So in this customization we will be modifying the content, so that all things we'll be doing. So right now we were at the plugins, and then over here these are all the different plugins that we are using. So this is the classic editor. So that classic editor is something, say a place where we can write editor. So that is, say if I add a new post, so then this over here I will get an editor with it, so I can add a title over here, I can add a description over here. Now this is called as editor. So this is classic editor, and there are other latest editors also that are available, but they are very confusing, and they do not give a look good and feel. So for that reason we are using this. So there you will have a plus button over here, and then it will ask you that you want to add a block, you want to add a title, you want to add a heading, you want to add an image. So like that, I mean, that is very confusing. So this is the best one, wherein you just add a title of the blog and you add description of the blog, and over here you select the category that is available. See, the default categories are already created over here, which because we installed the demo content, so that is what it is. Then we add all the tags of the things, and then we do all the SEO part over here. So you were talking about what was that SEO plugin, Yoast SEO. So that Yoast SEO, say like I told you that in the introduction itself I told you that there are more than 200 factors which we need to know, that what are the problems in our website and how to make our website search engine friendly. But see, how will I get to know that what is the problem in my content? So for that reason we install a Yoast SEO, which is a plugin which will make our life easier and tell us what are the problems in our content. So over here you can see there are lots of things which it says that key phrase length is not there, meta description is not there, text, first of all actually this is blank, but actually when we add content then it will show the actual results over here. So we need to make all these things. So over here we can see this is orange and these are red. So once we keep on say one after the other, we solve all the problems over here, we resolve all these issues, these everything will turn green. So once it turns green, it means that our SEO is perfect and we have completed our SEO, and our this particular blog is search engine friendly. So that is what we need to do. So that actually we will be learning once we add the blog. So first of all we will just look at all the things that are available over here. So this is what we'll see. So we were at plugins. So now say I want to add a new plugin. So we wanted to add a plugin for newsletters. See over here classic editor is there, so that is installed. So I want a plugin for newsletters. So then I will get all the newsletter things. So I am using this email subscribers and newsletters simple effective email marketing WordPress plugin. So this I am using, so with which I can create a form and I can send all the newsletters to all my subscribers. So this is what I can use. So there are various plugins available with which we can use all these things. See over here, pop-up forms, opt-in and email newsletters for MailChimp and Aweber, HubSpot, Mail opt-in. So I mean, since it is having a lot of things, most of them would be paid options. So initially when we are using, we should try to use some free options so that we get acquainted with it. So let us install this one. So let us try this one, newsletter. So yes, I am installing it. So I can directly have a newsletter subscription placed on my website. So now it is installed. Now I will click on activate. So this is plugin, so I can install as many plugins I want. So I can install plugins related to security of my website, to enhancement of the website. I want to install something for video gallery, image gallery. I want a video show, something. I mean, whatever you can think of, you can install plugins for that. You just search for it. Then social media sharing buttons you want on the website, so you can install a plugin for it. You don't require any plugin for it. So whatever new feature you want in your website, those are available in the plugins. So whatever new feature you want, you say that okay, now I want some new feature in my website. So you just go to plugin and search for that feature, and then you install it, and then you can use it. So now this is installed, and then now I'll click on next. And over here color mag, this is choose a name and email address you would like to appear as the sender of the newsletter. So whenever an email will go to our subscribers, so it will come up with our name. So here say this is your website, so I can just write your name, and over here your email address I can provide. And then I can click on next. And then over here ask for their name. Yes, we want to add for their name. Add a privacy checkbox if you want that also. And then subscribe button label. So here subscribe or whatever label we want, say like stay updated, subscribe, or get it free. So that option, so that people will add it, use it. So ask for their name. So name and email address will come up in the subscription form, and over here subscribe button will come. So then I'll click on next. So after clicking next, subscription and edit page creation, so that is there. And then we click on next, and over here it will come up like this. So send a test message. So if I click on this, then it will send a test message. But since this email address is not still yet created, so we cannot send a test message. So I'll just click on next. So then add newsletter widget to sidebar. So take me to my widget section, and over here opens in a new window. So if I want to add it, then I can add it from here itself, or else we can add it later on by going to widgets. So I'll tell you that. So then I want next, and then okay, yes, you are now ready to begin using newsletters. So here this kind of thing will come up over here, and then this is something like they are just providing that okay, you can follow us and all those things, that's fine. And over here documentation is available. So now I go to my dashboard for this newsletter. So now this is my newsletter dashboard. So now what I can do is say this is all the statistics, so for all the newsletters that I would be selling. So this is something more we will be learning in email marketing, which is towards the end of the course, wherein we will learn how to send emails, everything. But right now we are learning plugins. So over here we want to say add a plugin to our website. So now this is of right now this I won't be using. So now what I want, I'll just go to widgets on my website. Under appearance I have widgets, and under widgets you will see say newsletter option, so which might have just come up. See, this was not there previously, so this is what I want. So now I want to place it somewhere on the website. So what will I do? I will just drag this, and I want it on the fourth sidebar of my website. So I'll paste it over here, and over here I can just write a title called as stay updated. And over here introduction, if you want then you can just write that okay, never miss a beat. And over here show list as checkboxes or drop down. So okay, drop down we can use, and first drop down. So here if you want to create multiple options, say like if say in digital marketing I am sending say some people might be interested in social media marketing, some people might be interested in YouTube marketing, some might be interested in say Google AdWords or analytics or anything. So here I can provide multiple options for creating different list. So this is all can be done. So if I want, then this option can be used. So here I can just click on save right now. So this is done, and yes, so I'll just select checkbox and click on save, and yes, this is done. So then say this is another say widget which is there on your website. So now just let me refresh this. So now above this you can see over here it has come up first name or full name, and over here email, and over here say by continuing you accept the privacy policy, and then you click on subscribe. So now people can subscribe. So I just add my email over here. So okay, this is the name. Okay, sorry. So I'll add my name over here, and then over here I'll add my email address, and then I'll click on subscribe. So now what happens is newsletter, your subscription has been confirmed. See, now I've already subscribed to your newsletter. So now what we need to check, so the thing that we need to check is okay, one sec, wait, okay, over here it opened in a new tab, so fine, no problem. So over here we were in the widget. So now you can see this advertisement over here which is there on your website. So okay, let me open your website again. Yeah, so yeah, so here at the bottom you can see this over here below this color match, some images coming up, and this all things is coming up. So what I can do over here under this widgets, I can just remove this text. So I don't want this text which is there. See, contains all featured free version and many all those things. See, that is mentioned over here, contains all features, and this is a text which is there. So what I do is delete. So now that text is deleted. So let me come over here and refresh it. So this text is gone. Now I don't want this box also, because I just want over here this newsletter subscription. So I go to widgets, and I'll just say delete, or else if I want to replace this with my image and some advertisement image over here, then I can do that. So right now I can delete it. I can later on add whatever I want. So now this is done, and yes, this is done. So in the fourth sidebar it is coming up. So like this, now I'll just refresh it, and you can see that all things will go, and now only this has come up over here. So like this I can add whatever I want. So these whatever existing widgets are there, that I can add. So these are all existing widgets which I can add. So this is the plugins that I can use. So these plugins, we understand that which adds functionality to our website. So now this is a very good functionality where people can subscribe on our website. So this is this plugin, this facility is added. So like this, many more things will come up which you can explore by yourself also, and by seeing what are the options available. See over here we can have all these buttons also as well. So like this we have various options. So yeah, like this we can use this. Then say now this demo importer is done, and now if I go to my website over here, I can see all these things. So now it's time to customize my website. So now I'll just close this all, and I'll just keep your website open, so that whatever changes I'm making, you can see it. So I'll close my website also. Okay, so yes, now what we do is I go the next thing, okay, let us just continue, just let us see what are the other options here. So we have seen plugins, and over here we can see users. So over here users means that see, normally on blog websites other people can also come to your website, register an account, and they can also write blogs. So it's like user generated content. So I can know that how many users are there on my website. But this is say this is our private website, so this is my website, so I just want me to write the blogs, or say this is given to you, so you will be writing blogs. But just in case that if over here we have multiple users who are writing blogs, then we get to know that how many registered users do we have on our website. So those all things we can see over here. We can add a new user over here. So if I want to give access to only one person, so in that case I can create a user over here, and then a password. I can create a password, and then I can give that to that person, so he can manage it. So, and I can select the role also, whether he is a subscriber, or he is a SEO manager, or he is an author, or he is an editor. So like this we can provide all these options. If I give him administrator, then he can do everything whatever he wants, but we do not give administrator. So usually we give editor, author also. I mean, this is just in case if you want any of your friend or your office, say usually what happens that in a company all the employees are managing all these things. So employees are given role based rights depending on what activity they would be carrying out. So like this they would be giving roles on the company website also. They would be adding, editing, managing the website, company website. So they do not have admin roles, so only they would be having a user access roles, wherein they can modify some content, they can add some new content, they cannot delete anything. So that is what this is what then I click on add new user. So then I can give that this username and password to that person, and then they can start using it. Then over here we have some tools. So these tools are used for taking backup of the website, and again importing the backup in our website. So here, just in case that anything goes wrong in my website, so from time to time I want to take a backup, so I just click on export, and then I can take a backup of all the content. I want backup only of the post or pages or forms or metadata, so media. So these all things I'll select all content, then everything will come. If I just want a backup of post, then I'll select that only, and then I'll click on download file. So one XML file will get downloaded with all the content into it. But the media and everything, I mean, that I need to download it from the control panel, not from here. So that is not possible from here. And over here it is site health. So that is okay. I mean, we usually don't check this. This is just for checking the health of the site. So that is fine. Then export personal data, then we have erase personal data. Then that all things we can see over here. So under site health we can just see if there are any critical issues on the website, or some recommendation on the website. You should remove inactive themes. So yes, of course, that is there, we need to remove, otherwise there will be some performance issues. So your site is running older version of PHP 7.3.19. so here we can see whatever is the latest, so that we can use it. So that is fine. So this is not what everybody can do it. That is only if a person is having a website and having a control panel, then only they can use it. So over here you are having this admin dashboard with which you can use. So most of all what you will be using is only post and pages. So pages is I mean, if you don't even add pages to your website is fine, but post is something that you will be using for doing SEO, because this is only the thing that we want. We don't want any other things. And of course some part of customization, that is just for your learning thing, that in future if you want to create your own website using WordPress, then you will be able to create your own website. So now over here you can see all the content over here, and all these articles are mentioned over here. So now from where do I see where are these listed? So I go over here under post, and I click on all post. So then you can see all this demo content is there. So these all contents are there. Then if I want to see all the categories which are added automatically, so here we can see all the categories which are added. So If you are new to this, then I would suggest to rename this, edit and then you rename this, edit and rename this, edit and rename this, so that you know the exactly the content will come up over here. But if you know how to add all these things, different things, then it is okay, then you can use it. So then you can directly select all and say you can delete it. So I'll just click on all and you can just click on delete and then click on apply, then everything will get deleted. So like that we can use. So right now I'll just select all and I can delete that all those things. But before that I just want to see that what are the different things that are available over here and what placement is kept at what placement, so that on the website, so that we'll see. And these are the tags. So if you want to add any tags to our website, so those are all keywords for our website. So I mean people will get, when people will search for those keywords, then our website would come up. So like this, if I want to manually add any tags, then I can add over here. Otherwise in the post, definitely we are going to add tags related to those posts. So that all things we can see over here. So that is what we do. So now to start customizing the website, so over here now let us see how does this all thing appear over here. So the first thing that I need to do is I go to appearance and I click on customize. So this is the most important part which we are going to learn, how to set all the panels over here. So now over here global, so I click on global. And yes, I just want to tell you one thing, the menu which you are seeing over here after clicking customize, this menu is different for all the themes which you will install. Everything will have different things, some of them might have something common, few things might be common to all the themes, but other things will depend, because see, all the developers are not same. See, some people will say that okay fine, over here there would be a slider and 4 blogs will be coming up over here in this manner, and over here we are giving one placement, over here we are giving right hand side bar. But other developers might think different. They might say that okay, over here there should be only one a slider or a video. Other one will say that okay, over here I want one video, I want one video over here, I want one video over here. Then at the bottom a person can place a blog over here, over here, over here, like this they want. So like this every developer will think in a different way. So depending on the developers, the theme and the placement would be considered. So like this over here we just click on global. So over here we can see colors. So primary colors, so primary color is blue. So everywhere on the website you can see this is the blue color which is coming up. So if you don't want this, say if your logo or your company color is something different, say it might be of a different color, then you can just select whatever color you want and it will automatically change to that color. See, now right now it was blue, see now everything turned to red color. Everywhere on the website, see, it turned to red color. See, you see all the links also turn to red color over here. So see over here the headings also turn to red. So here you can depend what is the color that you want over here. If you just click on default, then the default thing will come up. Whatever you want to change, it will come up over here. Like this you can use. So yes, and if you like that, then you can click on publish. So right now I'll just keep it default so it looks good. So blue color is looking good over here right now. So see, again it is back to normal. So that was primary color. And then skin color. So skin color, right now we can see the skin color is white over here. If you want a dark skin, then the whole website will turn into dark. See over here, this is the dark skin. So here you have two types of skins available for the website. So if you like this, then you can use this. If you want white, then you can use white. So this is whatever you select, you can use it. So that is skin color. And then over here category colors. See over here different categories are using different colors. See over here health is using this, this fashion, sports. So like this every category is having different colors. So if you want, then you can use different colors, but usually for a professional website all the colors would be same, so we prefer to use same. So that is a good option, but still I mean people want, then they can use this, that is fine. So that is category colors. And then over here background color. So background color we have already seen right now in the when we were looking at the menu. So if I want to select any background color, so I can just select, see, oh, the background color has changed over here to red. So whatever background color, so this background color will appear when we are clicking on the any of the link over here, and the page goes away. At that time this particular color will come up, so people will get to know that okay, something is loading. Or else if you don't want any color, then over here you can select an image that okay fine, please wait, the page is loading, something like that. Or some animation wherein you can add that okay fine, this is loading. So like that you can add some image over here, so that option also can be done. So that is background. And then the layout, see the layout is like selecting whether it is a box layout. See right now it is a box layout. See, box layout means that this is appearing as a box. Over here on the left hand side and on the right hand side there is some space. Oh, you again missed it. Okay, no problem. So now you can hear properly. So what's happening? I mean, you are getting disconnected. Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, Ayushi, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I think okay, I'm not able to say, your voice is say cracking. No problem. So at least if you are able to hear me, it's fine. No problem.
I can
So
hear you.
okay, that's fine. So no problem. So okay, so we were talking about the customization of the menu. So it's like this. So this is the box layout. So you can see this is a, there is some space on the left hand side and right hand side, but usually this is waste of space on the website, so we keep it wide layout. So and I click on publish. So now if you see the difference over here, now it will touch the edges and the whole space will be utilized. So like this it will come up. See, you can use the whole thing over here. So this is the, I mean, customization of the website wherein you can use whatever you want. So that was global thing, so that is appears the throughout the whole website. And then this is the front page. So on the front page we have say over here, check to hide the blogs, post static pages on the front page. So if we don't want all the blogs on the static pages, then we can uncheck this. So I mean, we want it, so that's not a problem. Then we have header. So we have seen header. See over here, site identity. So over here we can see all these things, site header. See over here we can see this. Now this logo is there. Now I don't want this logo, and if you want to say put your logo, then what you can do is you can click on remove this logo, and then you can select your own logo. You can upload a file, whatever you want. Say like okay fine, I can let me see if I have some logo. See, okay, I don't think I have something small logo. One second. Okay, over here. Okay fine, I'll just select temporary this logo over here. So digital lake. Okay, so this is appearing over here. Select this, and over here, yeah, this is what I want. Yeah, and then I'll say crop, so that logo will go and my logo will come up over here. So that is what it is. So then I can click on publish.
But now everywhere this color mag is written. How to
Yes.
edit, like get
Yeah,
changes
yeah,
in.
yeah, we are coming to it. See, first of all, see, we are actually going by the hierarchy of the menu. But say if we don't want to go by the hierarchy of the menu, and see over here you can see all these pencil button which are mentioned. So this is the
Yeah.
see, I mean, since you are new to this, you do not know that okay, where this, from where can I remove this logo, where should I go in this menu. So for that reason you don't need to worry, there is a shortcut. This is a pencil button, edit button. So if I want to remove this, I'll just click on this and it will directly take me to that place. See, it is taking me over here. So what I'll do, remove, and then I'll click on publish. So this banner will go away. So this color mag is gone. So now over here this color mag is appearing. So I don't want this color mag, so I'll go over here, say over here this color mag is there, so remove this. So that has gone. and then over here you can see this is a featured, so here this is a template. So like this, all the images will be seen. So here this is the main thing, and then 3 over here, so like this we can see. So this is fine, we can keep this. Then over here navigation menu is there, so this is premium theme, so I don't want this right now, so I can keep this. I don't, this navigation menu I don't want, that is premium theme, so I can just if I want to edit it I can edit it, or else I want to remove it, I can remove it. So that is gone. And again this option also I don't want, so this is the advertisement, so I just click over here, and over here I can go to at the bottom, and I'll say remove, so that part is also gone. So now all the color mag on the website is removed, hopefully. And let me check the footer, at over there it might appear, see over here it also it is coming. So now again I'll click this, and this is advertisement above footer, so see advertisement over here is there, so this advertisement I want to remove, so I'll remove this, so that is gone. If I want to add something else over there I can add it, so that's not a problem. Then I'll click on publish, so every time I need to click on publish, so that it will be saved. So now again over here you can see this image over here, so I click on about us, so this will take me to the first footer sidebar. So this is first footer sidebar, so here you can see about us is there, and over here this logo is coming up with this code over here, so I'll just remove that code. So now this image will go, see that has gone. And now over here I can add say I can write my own text about us over here if I want, or else if I want to remove this as well, then I can remove this. So right now I'll just keep it, so that it will look good at least on the website, then you can edit it later on. So now this all is done. So now I hope we don't see any color mag option on the website. Yes, now everything is done. Yes, so this is done. And now yes, so we were on the front page, so front page, that is fine. No, then yeah, header, so this was on the header, we were on the header. Site identity, so we have added our logo over here. Now over here if we want to have a site icon, then I can even add that site icon, so I'll select this. So now what will happen, that on the top of the browser in the tab I can add this. Okay, so this is a fixed one which I can use. So what I'll do is I'll just make it a bit small, so I mean this is okay, this is okay, so I'll just crop this. And now you can see this image will come up on the top. See, it has come up over here in the browser. Can you see this over here?
Yeah.
So that is called a site icon. So my logo will come up over here, say like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everybody is using their own logos, Google is using their own logo, so I mean even I can have my logo placed over here. So that is site icon. So I click on publish, so over here also my logo has come up, and over here also my logo has come up. That is the site identity. And that's it. So over here if you don't want a logo and you want your name of your site, then you can put it over here, like whatever you want to put it, whatever you want to name this website as. Say like I'll put it your name, and over here you want to add your tag name, so that also you can use. So yeah, so I mean whatever you want. So now whether you want header logo only, then only header logo will come up. If you want header text only, then only header text will come. So over here these two things will come. See, like this Ayushi and digital marketing, whatever we have mentioned over here, that will come up over here. If you want to show both, then both the things will come up, logo as well as the text, both of both the things will come up. And if you want to disable it, then everything will wipe off, so that will be going. So but usually we have to need to keep something so that people will get to know about this, so we keep a logo. So this you can remove anytime. So right now I'll just keep a text, so your name will come up. So and then I click on publish. So this is site identity. Then header media, so header media I explained that by adding a YouTube URL or a image over here, this we can use this. So we use this, so it will come up over here, so you can add it. And then where exactly you want to display the header image, usually whether on the top or it should come below the menu, because the menu should always be on the top. So display the header main image below the main primary menu. Yes, exactly like this. So then the menu will come on the top, and then the image, and then all the blogs will come up. So here you can keep changing this blog image every time you want, so that can be done. So now it looks good. And then I go back, and I want to select top bar. So over here enable top bar. So this is this top bar where you can see this Monday September 21st and the latest. So here whatever is the latest blog, it will come up automatically, so it will pick up everything automatically. So if I want this, then I can enable it. If I want to disable it, so I can use uncheck this option, so this all option will go. And this breaking news, if I don't want, then I can even disable that also, so that part will go away. So this will go away. So like this we can have. So I mean, having this is a good option, so people can see the date as well as people can see the latest thing also, so that is good. So that is top bar. And then we have primary header. So over here, I mean, this is the just the type of the menu that we want. So this is see over here we see it like this, the whole image is covered by the blue background. If I use this one, then it will just underline something. See over here, okay, so it has become a big layout. So but this does not look good. If I select this, then it will underline, I believe. See, okay, so now you can see that black background is gone, and a simple menu has come up over here. So if I want like this, I can keep it like this. So this is what I'll select. This looks good because it has border, and we can see the menu over here, so that's okay. So that is primary header, the look and feel, that is the style of the menu, that's it. Then primary menu. So primary menu over here we have various options. If I don't want this search icon over here, so I can uncheck that option. So if I don't want this random post, so random post usually we don't keep, so that's fine. And responsive menu style, so that we can enable, so that our website will be say responsive on the mobile devices also, so it will fit exactly to the screen, and the menu will automatically become as the hamburger menu, that is the 3 lines, and then when we click on it, then this menu will come up as a drop down. So like that we can use this on the mobile device also, so that is okay. So this is enabling and disabling whatever icons that we have on the website, so that's fine. And then over here sticky header. So sticky header we always keep it enabled. So what happens is that whenever we scroll the page, you can see this menu is sticking over here. Even though we are scrolling our website, this menu is over here. That is called a sticky menu. Now if I uncheck this option, then whenever I scroll the page, the menu will also go along with the page. See over here, so the menu is going away. So if I have a sticky menu, then in that case, if people want to browse the any other page, then they do not need again go to the top and then select it, so it will always be visible. So for that reason I keep a sticky menu, so people can see over here. So like this we can use it. So then I click on publish. So that is sticky menu. So that was related to the header. Then over here related to the content, so over here in the single page, check to enable the light box for the featured image in the single post. So check if say light box is basically where say you can have whenever you click on the image, so the background will say get dim and you can see only the image. So that is the light box that you want. So I mean, yes, that feature is there. And enable related posts. So at the bottom, whenever you click on any blog, then after the blog you will see related posts, so people want to read any other post, so that is good option, so that we can get we can drive more page views of our website, and people will like to read our other blogs also. So that is what we have. And then over here we want the related post with by categories or by tags. So yes, we can keep it by categories, we can keep it by tags, so that is not a problem, so that's fine. Then on the page, whatever we want featured image, whether we want featured image on the page also. So I mean, if you want we can keep it, but usually pages do not have featured image, only blogs have. So like whatever you are seeing over here, this is featured image. So over here whatever you are seeing, this is featured image. So if I don't add featured image to the blogs, then over here everywhere you will just see the text only. So and over here this all everything would be just white box, so here you won't see anything, then it does not look good. So I need to add a featured image to each and every blog. So that is what is mentioned over here. So that is related to content. Then over here in the footer, so we have say what type of footer do we want, so whether it is type 1 or type 2. So I mean it is just the heading over here, so the background blue color will get removed. So if I put type 2, so you can see that background is gone. So if I want this, so it will just come up like this. So this looks good, so we keep this. So I mean whatever people like, they can keep it. So that is footer. And then additional, if you want to add the social media icons, so that social media icons are already added, so that is enabled. So now over here we can see Facebook is there, Twitter is there, Google Plus is there. So Google Plus, we can remove it because say Google Plus is only available to corporates and it is a paid version. So now if I uncheck the hash, then that icon will go. And over here say I can put the URL, like whatever is my URL. So if I just add that okay, say if I just say that this is my Facebook URL, then I copy this and I can add it over here. So then when people will click on Facebook, then they will go to my Facebook page over here. So like this, then over here you can see this is my Facebook page. So this is what we can see. So this is one of the best thing that we have, I mean we can use this. So that is a good option. And then like this similar way we can add the Twitter URL, Instagram URL. So I mean yes, I'll just add some of them so that you can just have a look. So yeah, see over here Twitter URL, so I can just copy this Twitter URL. I mean you can change them later on once you start to edit it. So yes, check this. And then your Instagram URL. So yes, this is my Instagram URL. So close and customize. Yeah, so then this is Instagram. And then Pinterest and whatever you have. So here Pinterest and YouTube is there, so we can add all those also. And then you can click on publish. So after clicking publish, and then if I refresh over here, then when people will click over here Facebook and all these things, so at that point of time our images will come. See over here Google Plus is gone, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, so all those things. So when people will click, it will open up in a new window and the page will come up. So then people can like, share, comment, subscribe, basically engage with our page. So that is all social media icons. So we can click on back and then again back, additional, that was additional thing. And then menus. So usually menus, we do not create menus from here because we go from that appearance and then from there we go to menu. That is what we had seen just now when we created a new primary menu. Then over here, yes, widgets, we can go from here also, and from the website appearance widgets also we had gone directly over there where we saw all the menu widgets, and we dragged that newsletter on the fourth sidebar. So that from there also you can do, and from the customization also you can do. So now over here see, this is the right sidebar. So right sidebar, if I want to edit the right sidebar, so then over here I click on the right sidebar. So here we have this one style over here that we have. So this is coming up like this over here. Now I want one more thing wherein say I can add a new widget, so I can whatever I want. So like I can search for whatever I want. So since I know I can search for it, so I'll say it's tag, so I'll add a tag cloud. So this is tags, so all the important keywords that people will people can search and people can click. So now you can see the tags would come up at the bottom, but right now since there are no tags, it is not coming up. We need to add some tags. That will be done only once we say add some blogs to our website. So that is fine. so this will publish. And then if I want to add something new, like I want categories below it, so I can add categories over here, so categories will appear. So that is over here, see, automatically the categories are available. Because the categories are available, it is populating over here, but the tags are not there, so it is not populating. So once we have that, so now if I want this categories to come up above, say, then I can put it over here, and the tags is going down. So that can also, you can rearrange this whatever way you want. If you want the tag clouds to be on the top, so then over there on the top the tag cloud will come up. And then over here you can see, so over here it says news. So over here this is not news, I mean over here you can rename this to say latest post. So and then you can click on publish. So here you can see it has changed. So like this, whatever. So over here it says that number of posts to be displayed. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 posts are being displayed. So if you want more, then you can add more also. So I say that okay, instead of 4 I want 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are coming. If I want 10, then say, if the length is more of the page and if you see a blank space, then you can increase this. So depending on that, you can increase or decrease it. So like this you can use it. So if I add 10, then say 10 posts will come up. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 10. I need to publish it. So yes, then it will come up. So like this I can see all the things. So here post format galleries, okay, that's fine. So I'll just reduce it right now, so I'll make it 5. So then I'll click on publish. So yes, now there is no error, so that is fine. So like this I can use. And over here whatever it is being displayed, so from which category you want to display, so you can even select that. Okay, fine, I want to select from the top stories. So then you can add it. See, now it has changed from there is only one top story, so that is coming up over here. So it's fine. So like this you can select whatever you want. So top stories, then over here featured, so you can see featured, the total number of featured. So here we can see whatever it is. So and then I mean that is whatever you want to display from whichever categories you want, you can display it. So that's fine. So that is right sidebar. Then header sidebar. So header sidebar, we had removed that color mag banner. So that color mag banner over here, if you want to add something over here, you want to add your own script or something, then you can use that. You want to add some image over there, you can add that. Anything whatever you want to add, you can add over there. You want people to subscribe over there, so you want a subscription box over there, that also can be done. You want to add something else, you can add that. So I mean there are various things that you can do. You want to add some text over there, a text box which you want people to know, so you want people to look at it, so that also you can have. So then it will come up. So whatever it is, you can try. So you can try each and every option. You just see, because whenever, even if I install any new theme, I will not know everything unless and until I click on it and I try to add something, add a widget, and if I add anything, then I'll get, and then I click on publish, and then I look on my website that okay fine, over here this has changed. But if it does not look good, I'll just click on it and I'll say remove, and then I'll click on publish, so that thing will go away. So you don't need to worry about it. You can explore anything and everything over here. There are various panels available on the website. See, this is footer sidebar 1. See over here, footer sidebar 1, we have about us. So now if you say that you don't want about us section, so you can just remove it, and I want a new section wherein I want all the categories of the website. So what I can do is, over here I'll select the categories, or I want to say that the latest post, so recent post. So here I want recent post. So you want the number of posts, you can say that okay, I want 5, I want 6, I want 7. So depending on that you can keep it over here. So I'll keep it 5. And if you want to select the display post date also, then it will become very big, so you don't use this. And then I click on plus. So now just let's scroll down to the footer and see, it has changed. The about us has gone, and you can see the recent post. Now over here there is a blank thing. So over here you want to add something more, so you can add as many widgets you want. Then the whole footer will go quite long. So like that also you can use. And over here if you want a search, or you want to add any text or anything else that you want, you can add it. over here, or you want to add a small video, so that video also you can add. So if I just click on video, then either I can add a video, and otherwise what I can do is either I can upload it or I can just insert it from a URL. We usually insert it with the URL, because if I click on the add video, and if the video is big, there would be load on the server. For 1 or 2 videos it's fine, but if we add more videos, then there would be a problem on the server, because we are using shared server. This is a training server, so we can, from insert URL, we can add as many videos we want. So that's fine. So here I click on, again I go back to my YouTube channel, and say I can just select any of the videos. So
Hi, I'm Hitesh Chhatralia and I'm your trainer.
okay, okay, so I'll just take this, or else I'll just check this, copy link address, and I'll go over here and add the link, and then add to widget. So now over here you can see the video is coming up like this. So yes, like this you can use it. So if you want to edit the video, you can edit over here. Say you want auto, or you want to loop that video, so continuously it will play. That all things you can use. Then you want video details, so over here add subtitles or cancel edit, and over here edit update. So that is fine. So like this you can do it. So this is also, it can be done. And say there was some custom HTML, so what I can do is, if I want to, say over here you have this, so over here you have this share button, and over here you can click on embed, and over here you get the iframe. So you can get this code, so you just copy this if you want this, and say you can go to customize, and then what you can do is add widget. And now this time, instead of selecting a video, what you can do is use custom HTML. Over here custom HTML, and then over here I can paste that code. So what I'll do is I'll add it in the center, or else okay, it's fine. So I'll just add that this over here, and then I can click on publish. So now you can see this video is coming up over here. This video will come up automatically, and it will fit automatically over here. But if I want to say, if I add custom HTML, then I have more options to edit it. See, like if I want to make it small, then I can over here height and width I can change it. So width I want it as say 480, and over here height I want it as say 220, and then I click on publish. So now you can see it has become small. So like this it will come. So this is what we can use. So like this we can add the videos. So that is custom HTML, or by using videos. So that is footer 1, and over here footer 2 we have useful links. So over here sidebar useful links, I don't want this useful link. So what I can do is I can just remove it, and I want to add another widget where I want to say that I want to add categories. So categories I will add. So yes, this categories is coming up automatically, and yes, that's it. So the categories are displaying. Then on the third one over here, other themes are coming. So instead of other themes, I don't want other themes. Then over here in sidebar 3, it is other themes. So instead of other themes, I want something else. So I can remove it, and whatever widgets are available over here I can use. See, I can add audio archives. I'll select archives. So archives will come up. So like that I can publish. So March and September 2020. So these all like this it will come up. So whatever you want you can use it. And of course in the fourth column we have already added the newsletter subscription over here. So we can see over here newsletter is already added over here, what we had added. So this is what we can use. So yeah, I mean like this we can use. And if I want anything again below that, if there is a space, then we can add something else also. Say maybe we can add a calendar, or we can add a image. uh, I mean, we can add a text like about us text also. If you want, we can add. There are various things that we can add. If I want to add certain pages or recent comments, if I want to add, then I can add recent comments. So right now there is only one default comment. So this, like this, I can have, if I want to, I can add that. So I'll just delete this right now. I'll what I can do is mm, highlight post, okay, or something. Say, I mean, okay, fine. So right now I'll just keep it as it is. I don't want to add anything else. So you can try when you edit it, everything. So you can just check out all these options that are available, all the widgets and everything. And then home page settings. So home page settings, we have our latest post. So all the latest posts, whenever I add a new post, that new post will come up on the top over here. And then this post will go over here, this post will go over here, this post will go over here, and this post will go over here. And then this post, whichever is the last post, that will go when that will be searchable only when people will click on the category and see all the posts within that category. So that is how. And if you want to create our own static page, then I can create a static page. So I can design my own website on my own. So here, say by default this page is coming up. So you need to select that, okay, what would be my static page, so when page will open. So if I say that this sample page, so then say the page will change over here, and whatever is the sample page, that would come up over here. That is what we can do. Or else if you want to create a new page, then you can create a new page. So yeah, I mean, this is the wall. So usually we keep it your latest blogs, so only the latest blogs will come up on the home page. So like this we can use. And then this is additional CSS. So I mean, if you know any programming and if you want to use this, so that also you can use it. So say for example, over here you can see this footer coming up over here, this all thing is coming up. So if you don't want all these things, you can add some content over here. You can add some coding over here, say like mm, and say dot site info. Okay, so script to hide footer in so over here we have that option. Okay, right now we are not able to find that. No problem, that is not important. So I mean, there is, if you know some additional CSS, then you can use that. So that is it. So that is some extra coding that you want. So that is it. So this is how you can create your website and add content to it. So now that was the customization part. So now what we need to do is, over here we have post. So what you can do is, when you go to all post, then what you can do is select all of them, and you can delete it. Or say if you do not know how to add that, then in that case you can just click on edit it, and you can rename this title, and whatever content is there, you can add a new content to it. So like this you can add a new blog. Or else you can just directly click on add new, post new, and then you can add a title of the blog, and then you can add a description. Say for example over here, if I have this blog over here, so what I can do is say I can say add this. This say suppose this is the title. Yeah, this is the title, and I'll add that title over here, and over here I need to add the blog, so I can just add the blog over here. So this is the blog, and then I can select the category to which it belongs. So if I want to also add it in the featured, and say I want to add it into business, then this is what I can use. So make primary, and like this, so whatever has to be in primary, so you can select multiple categories, and then all the important tags you think that people will search for, this keywords that with which this blog should come up. So that of course we will be learning in say SEO. So that of course we will be starting hopefully next session. Till then we will be learning how to add. So hopefully yes, from next session we will be learning that. So like this we can add blog, and once everything is done, so then we can say publish our blog. So first of all, don't add any blogs right now, because I will give you time to do that. But first of all, you just, I mean, if you want to even add blogs, it is fine, it's your choice. You can add more blogs, so more and more blogs you can add. So yes, I would suggest you, yes, you can add blogs. Yeah, that's fine, so that it will help us for doing search engine optimization in the next session. So if you want, you can delete the all the posts that are available over here. Whatever posts are there, you can just select all, and you can delete them. So then it's okay. So you can add all the new blogs. So like this, select all, and then say add, delete, move to trash, and then you can apply. So before that, just let me check one more thing. So it is under customization. So under customization, under content, single page, okay, so that's fine. So single post, okay, that is fine. Front page, okay. Footer, header, okay, so now those things are removed from this, okay, no problem. So this is where it is coming. So this is coming up under widgets, okay. So okay, so everything has moved to widgets. So the first thing is slider area. So this is the header slider. Oh, in the header slider we don't have anything. So the next thing over here is slider area. So number of posts to be displayed 2, okay, so okay, that is fine, 2, and the latest post, okay, that's fine. And area besides slider, so this is area besides slider. So like this, you just need to know that what all things are there. See over here, featured is written, so where is that featured? So on the website you will search, okay, where is that featured written? So I mean, over here you can just search. If that is not available, then you can just search, okay, for the latest blogs or from the category, and then you will get to know that, okay, where exactly it is. So I mean, you will get to know. So see over here, featured is there. So yes, we had removed that featured. Say over here we had added latest post. So like this, you can rename whatever you want, and I mean, you can use that. So like this we can just see. Then content top section. So content top section, we are having this as style 1. So this is style 1. See over here, you can see this main image over here. So this is coming up over here, and then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4, it is coming up like this. And below that, this is content top. So this is on the content top. Then we have content middle. So this is content middle. So in content middle, what style we are using? See over here, one main, one main is there, and then we are using 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 over here you can see. So over here also we are using this, over here also we are using this. So like that it is coming. So we have added 2 of them over here, and 4 posts should come up. So, and then from which category it should come up automatically, so it should come up from fashion. So like this we can use this. So we should know what styles we are using over here. And then for front page content middle right, so this is middle left and this is middle right. So middle right also we are using the same thing, style 2 we are using, so that is coming up. And then we have front page content bottom. So front page content bottom, so this is front page content bottom. So then we can see that, okay, front page content bottom, what I want, middle and middle right, and then bottom. Say bottom we are having style 1. So this is again style 1 which we were using on the top over here. This is style 1 over here we were using, and then again at the bottom we are using this again. So like this we can use it. And we can select from. So we what is the main purpose of adding all these things? Say from different categories we can add blogs over here. So this is what we can do. So right now what I will do is I will delete all the post and everything, so that if you are not able to arrange this as per your desired thing, then we will again in the next session we will arrange the content the same way it is. So what I would suggest is that you can create as many categories as you want for practice, and then add at least three blogs into it. So I mean, if you add 4 categories and you add so you need to add 4 3s are 12 blogs you need to add. So I mean, for adding blogs you can take content from any of the website. Right now you can just search for free content for my website, and you will find various websites from where you can copy blogs. So there are various websites like articlecity.com, then articlebase.com. From there you can get various categories, and under those categories you will find various blogs. So then you can copy it. Then later on we will be deleting it because we cannot copy anybody's content, but this is just for the training purpose. So for training purpose, yes, we can use it, so that's not a problem. So these are all the posts that we have. So I'll select move to trash, apply. So the posts are getting deleted. So okay, so right now I'm seeing how many posts, 20. Okay, so okay, so apply. So now I can delete more posts in one go. So okay, move to trash, apply. Okay, so now all the posts are deleted. So trash, there are 40 posts, so I click on trash and then I select all and delete permanently. So these all posts are gone. So now everything is blank. So if I refresh your website, and as you can see, all the content will be gone. So now you can see whatever only whatever I had added, only those things are remaining. So this is what the images, and this the widget we had added. So this we had added, so that will remain. The default categories are gone, archives is gone. So now what I need to do is, now I need to go to categories, and then I will delete all the categories. Also you can create new categories. So select all, delete and apply. Okay, so one more is remaining, so delete. And actually there shouldn't be uncategorized because that is a default category, so I cannot delete it, but I can just edit it. So I'll just edit it for you. So instead of uncategorized, we will add general. Yes, and then I will just say update. So it is done. So now what we need to delete, we need to delete pages. So we have deleted all the posts, we have deleted categories and pages, so there would be only one page. Okay, this contact us page we want. So what we will do is we will keep this contact us page, and this donation confirmation, these all are default pages. Layout, sidebar, these all pages we don't want. this is newsletter plugin page, so do not delete, so we should not delete it. No sidebar. Okay, so this is draft privacy, so we want privacy policy page on our website, so that we should keep this right sidebar, sample page, so that all thing we don't want, so move to trash and click on apply. So now those pages are gone, so only these pages will remain, so that is fine. So this is on 21st September we had added, and this one is also on 9/12. This is 2018, so this was added long time back by default. So what we can do is, I mean, we can, if we want, we can trash this, so later on we can use it. So now if I click on say a refresh, so these all layout is there, layout is still there. Okay, so just let me go. Okay, so that layout might be a custom page that is added. So what I need to do is go to appearance and I go to menu, then I will see all those things. So I'll just click on view all and these pages are there. So now you can see all these links which were just added manually. So if you want to add a manual page also, then also you can add a custom page, so wherein you can provide URL of a third-party website and you can give it a name, and then you can say that okay, you want this under this primary menu, so then it will be done. So we had created a primary menu, that is our menu, and this is premium theme menu. So I'll just select this premium theme menu, and I will delete this premium theme menu. I don't want this premium theme menu, so I'll just delete it. So all the pages under it will go away. So yes, that is done. So what I need to do this, okay, so there are some invalid menu items because we have already deleted all these pages, so that's fine. So what I can do is just click on the page, remove. So like this, manually I need to go and delete the pages. So remove, so like this, remove, and remove like this, and over here whatever is in red, so this is removed. Now say like if I'm adding multiple pages on the website, so now on my website you will see a drop down menu. So whenever you add multiple pages, you will see all the pages coming up over here. So once you select that, okay fine, I want this page, I want this page, and then you click on add to menu. But say I want some of the pages under one menu, say like I say my courses, and under my courses I want say like digital marketing, social media marketing, and any other thing, search engine marketing. So then say this is the main, then I will just drag it on the right like this. So then these all pages will come up under this. So if this is coming up under main menu, then automatically this will convert to a drop down menu, and you will see all these things over here. So right now we don't require all these things, so right now we'll just remove this all things, because we can, those are the advanced things that we can see later on. Yeah. Okay, so now I have removed everything, and then yes, so our primary menu, where is our primary menu? Select all. So we have deleted that menu. Okay, so I'll delete menu. Yeah, so this is the main menu. So I want a primary menu, and I'll click on create, and then this is coming up as a newsletter. So just let me check how does it look on your website. Okay, so home is coming up, and then contact us is coming up. So this is the contact page. So over here we don't have any contact page, so we want to add one contact page. And then over here newsletter, so this newsletter we don't want it as a page because we have added it as a widget. So I don't want that thing into the menu. So what I will do is I will click over here and I'll just say remove. So it will remove from the menu, and then I click on save. So then that thing is saved. So here again, if I refresh this, I click on home. So now you can see that newsletter is gone. So now if I say, I will just check this box, automatically whatever pages you will add, it will come up on the website. So I click on save. So now if I go and add a page, say like add new page, and I would just say about us page, about us, and this is I can just write coming soon, and then if I click on publish, so now let me see on my website. See about us is coming up over here, right? See, it is automatically coming. So whatever pages you add, it will come up over here. Now say what I will do is I will again add a new page, and I will add say okay, I will add VIS vision, I'll say publish, then I'll say again add new page, and I will add say vision, mission, say okay, see all those things, and then again I will go and add some new page, say social responsibility, social responsibility, and then I go and publish this page. So now let me see over here on my website. I'll refresh this, and all the menus are coming up over here. Where is social responsibility? It did not come. Okay, it might have not been published. Okay, so now all this is coming over here. Now let me just refresh this, so that also is coming. But now say this contact us should always be on the last, and now I want these three pages under about us. So what will I do? I will go over here to appearance, and I go to menu. So and then what I can do is say I want home, then I want about us, so I want contact us at the last, so I'll just drag it to the last position. And now I want this vision, mission, and social responsibility under about us, so I will drag it a little on the right, so over here and over here. And if you want even say drop down menu, and under drop down menu if you still want some more menu, then you will again drag it like this. So under this it will come up like this. Under mission it will come social responsibility, so like that we can have. So I'll just click on save, and I'll show you how does it look. So now I will refresh this. So now you can see about us, vision, mission, and now under mission you have social responsibility. So now you can even click on vision, mission page, you can see vision page, you can see about us page, and you can also see contact us page. So like this you can arrange this as a drop down menu. So that is what you can use. So yeah, I mean you can go to the menu and you can arrange it as you want. So this is good over here. So and if you don't want this to come up, you don't want to delete the page, but you don't just want to appear it in the menu, then you can just click over here and you just click on remove. So you can see the page is already there, but I did not delete the page. That is I just removed it from the menu, because from the menu I cannot delete the page. If I want to delete a page, then I need to go to pages, all pages, and then whatever, like we did, select about us, and whatever page I want to delete, I will just move it to trash and then click on apply. So this is how I can delete my page. And for post also it is the same thing. You just click on all post, or you click on add new post, and then for post you don't need to go to menu, because that is dynamic content. I said it will automatically appear over here. So first of all you need to create a category, and even if you don't create a category, from the categories you directly add the title, you add the content over here, and under category, whatever category, see this is default category. So if you want to add a new category, you just click on add new category, and over here you can just write that okay fine, I want to write a blog on digital marketing. So I'll click and add new category. So by default it will get checked over here, so you can keep it like this. So then depending on, so this is creating categories as you proceed, creating different blogs on different categories. So this is okay. So like this, and then once everything is done, you can click on publish. So this is how we add content to it. So right now you can just explore the website, do whatever you want. Don't worry if anything goes wrong, we will reinstall it, because it is our own server. So it is my own training server wherein I can again reinstall it and again bring everything back, so that is not a problem. So you just explore everything, and yeah, you just keep checking whatever it is, you add blogs to it. And in our next session on Wednesday, we will learn how to optimize the content. So at that point of time, I will actually add the content and we will do SEO on it. So that is what we are going to learn from next session. So I have given you your login details, so you can check it over here in the chat. I've already given this is your website URL and this is your admin URL. So don't give this admin URL and username and password to anybody, because this is only for yourself. You can give your URL to anybody, you can just check that, okay fine, how does this website look like. So this is it. So yeah, like that you can use it. And over here I will just edit your profile over here so that it will look in a proper way. So yes, over here you can add your first name, your last name I believe is Jain, right? And nickname whatever you want, so we write your name. And how you want to display your name, you want to display it like this, you want only your last name or first name and last name you want, so it will be written over here, so it will come up like this. So that is what it is, and then you click on save, update profile, that is it. So yes, so now this is done. So yes, so if you have any questions you can let me know, or else we can conclude for the day. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
if you have any questions you can let me know.
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay fine, so you can practice everything, and you can I'll just check it on Wednesday, so of course I'll be keep checking it. So I mean it's fine. So then we meet on Wednesday, we have it at 5 p.m. to 7 p.m, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay fine
So
then.
basically, this is kind of this is website, right?
Yes, creating a website, yes. So in future
Yeah.
whenever you want to create your own website, then you can create it on your own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now in next class, I have to practice the website.
Yes, you can practice the website, and you can try to add blogs to it, and then we will learn all the search engine optimization, how to practically do search engine optimization. So I will be adding the blogs in front of you on my website, and that would be live blogs which will go live on my website. And after doing SEO only, I will be publishing those blogs. So that
So
is
today
how.
what we did, today whatever you taught me for the whole website customization,
Yes,
everything,
yes,
next
that.
class will be practicals for that.
uh, no, say this practical, see, like I told you, WordPress doesn't come into, say, the whole WordPress doesn't come into, say, digital marketing, but this is for, say, see, I give added value to my students, wherein you say in future if you want to create a website of your own, then you don't need to rely on any developer, you can create it on your own. So for that reason I taught you all these things. And say this is introduction to WordPress, and say developing a small website and customizing. So it is say learning content management system WordPress. And in next session what we will be doing is we will be actually starting the first module practically, that is search engine optimization. So we will be adding blogs to it, and we will do search engine optimization on it, and then we will publish those blogs. So till next session, that is on till Wednesday, you can just explore the all the features that I've given you. If you want, you can try to add one or two blogs, it's fine. I mean, otherwise, once you know how to do search engine optimization and then you learn, then you try to do it and then you optimize it, then it is good. Then that would be the real practice, because you need to add minimum 20 to 25 blogs in your website, and unless and until you don't do 15-20 blogs, you will not master it. So that is then ideal figure that people do and they master it. So I mean, after 4 or 5 blogs you will get a fair understanding, and after doing 15 to 20 blogs on your website, you will master search engine optimization. So that is what
Okay.
we'll be starting on Wednesday. Fine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then see you on Wednesday.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.